Hey guys, this is RPG again, and I'm going to show you the worst ending in the game, and I've accomplished this through a password, which cuts off your progress through the game and doesn't let you do level 5 and 6, and thusly you can't even collect the title of Gargoyle, and you're forced to fight Phalanx early, but I've got 3 healing items, and I know how to deal with them. So hopefully, it'll take longer since I don't have Demon Fire, but I think I can make do. You're a little early, but it is a little consequence, for this time I shall clip your wings once and for all. I don't think I have to deal with form 2, I think you just have to deal with the first form. So let's first expend all my death spells. Oh, I can't even use them apparently. Oh well, let's just use them anyway. I don't know, maybe I didn't notice it hurting him. It's going to be harder than I thought. Or not. Haha. It's very easy. This is going to be a short little video. I summon the power of the heavens. Now this is where it gets difficult, because I can't swim. What? No, I'm just kidding. Yep. He apparently cannot use the Crest of the Heavens. What? I am not destined to be the one? And then he ends up dying because he can't restore his health by turning into another form. So yeah, this is the easy mode ending, pretty much. I don't know how the game expects you to find this password. You're just supposed to fool around, I guess. They should have given it to you for beating it on the best ending where you fought the Dark Demon, but whatever. Taken by surprise, the mighty Phalanx was destroyed by the firebrand before he could summon the power of Crest of Heaven. Power Infinity. Yeah, more like Heaven, because it didn't even get that far. His revenge complete, Firebrand left for the Demon Realm to rest his wounded wings. So the text here is kind of the same, but not really, as the best or the good ending. This portrait of Firebrand's kind of cool looking. I never expected that Phalanx would be defeated. I don't think that's him talking. I think these are people. It is written that the one who defeats the king shall rule. Next time, it will be my turn. Maybe it is him. Defeat of Phalanx, the Demon Realm. Lost all order and fell into anarchy. Which is funny considering the ending. The other one, the guy was thanking me for defeating Phalanx. But many now ask if living under the rule of Phalanx would have been worse than the hell that they are currently in. Confined to. Not confined to. Yeah. Whatever. Reading out of the script. So yeah, this is the shit ending. I thought that portrait was kind of cool though, so it's almost worth it just for that. And now we get a very abbreviated cast roll. Samolo. Kind of tired tonight, so I'm probably gonna upload this tomorrow. By the time you see this, it will probably be uploaded though. I don't know, maybe I'll upload a couple. But doing more than that, I don't know about that. Bells. Flame Lord. Here. Skulla. Because the game knows I definitely fought that guy. Even though I didn't fight him with the Tile Gargoyle, because you technically can't get it in this mode. Now you could get the bad ending doing what I did without the code, but actually it probably would have been just as easy. You might have been able to get away with going to a couple of the other levels and getting more health. And we get to see the Fire Crest and presented by Capcom. And that concludes this LP in its entirety. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see me next time where I will be playing Akuma Joe Dracula, which is Super Castlevania 4 for all you US speaking fans, but technically it's not a sequel, so it's more of a remake. So that's, I think that the US name was kind of dumb, but I think it needed to sell the game, so they marketed it as a sequel. But anyways, see you later when I take on Dracula again.